Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. Today is Wednesday, July 1st, 2020, the first day of July, and we continue our ECQ in Cebu City. The president of the Philippines is still pretty mad at Cebu, so he's keeping us locked down for another 15 days. And on top of that, we now have to carry around this quarantine pass that's as big as you can see right here. It's laminated. We have to check it out like a book from the library. So you get to check it out for 3 hours, and along with a residency certificate that they gave me that has my name, my unit number, etc. Those two things, if I get stopped when I go out, I can show it to them to show that I am allowed to be out. Right now I'm going to the supermarket, so I am allowed to be out at the moment. So so those are the new rules. Earlier we had what was called a barangay pass, which everybody in the barangay got. But these are supposed to be one per household. But my condo, we have 3 towers, 35 floor towers, and they only got 30 passes for all 3 towers. So they said, oh yeah, 1 per household, we'll give you 1 per household. Well, there's a lot more than 30 people in 3 condo towers, so that's not working out as expected, but that's okay. At least we still have the option to go out. And a lot of places, food places, they deliver. So I just go out to the supermarket. I probably just go out once a week. So I'll do my videos probably once a week until this lockdown gets lifted. If it gets lifted. We don't know. It's a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. So yeah, so the rest of the Philippines, the other cities, Mandaue, Lapu-Lapu, they're on a general community quarantine. Most of the rest of the province is on a modified general quarantine. So most of the island here, they're free to do pretty much whatever they want. So they're pretty lucky. But as for me, well, it's still better than what's going on in the States. Metro Manila is still under GCQ. Most of the rest of the country is under a modified general community quarantine. So for most of the country, things are looking up. Here, hopefully by mid-July, by July 16th, things will look up a little bit more. Hopefully, we'll see. But as for now, we'll go to the grocery store. Other updates. Today is July 1st. Thailand reopened their schools. They reopened their massage parlors. They reopened most of the other businesses. So now things are pretty good there. So no problems. Let's see, where else? Vietnam still pretty much closed. Let's see, what else? No word on Malaysia or Singapore, so I assume it's more of the same over there. Thailand is letting more international flights. Well, they're allowing international flights to come in, but to be admitted, you have to be part of a certain groups of people. So like if you have a work permit if you're related, married to a Thai, if you're there for medical tourism, then you can come in. If not, unfortunately, you're still banned. So if you're just a regular tourist, you still can't come in yet. Vietnam is talking about letting more people in later, maybe later in the summer. We'll see. I don't know. What else? I know I'm saying a lot, but there's not a lot of information except for what's going on here. So we got that. Flights are still going at Cebu because the airport's located in Lapu-Lapu, which is still under a ECQ. So meaning they can still fly. We can't leave the city to go flying unless we're leaving the country as a foreigner. But where am I going to go? I'm not going to go back to the States, so that's not going to happen. This is the main entrance to Ayala Mall. I think I've shown you this before. You can get in. There's certain stores that are open, like there's a healthy food store called Healthy Options. GNC is still open. So, besides that, there's not many updates. I just wanted to let you guys know that our status in Cebu is continuing, and we have to carry around these big ass passes now. So anyways, this video will be short because I do need to go shopping, but for all 1600 and whatever 1644, I think, I appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on my logo at the bottom of this video, and then you can subscribe. Click the bell, and you'll get notifications of when I put out more videos. As for now, this is Jason from Asia Unscripted. Be safe, take care, and I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.